How much does drug intervention cost? Drug addiction is no joke. People struggling with it tend to destroy not just their own lives, but their families too. It negatively affects society as a whole. Therefore, finding treatment is a must. There's a high chance you've heard of intervention if you have a loved one who has a drug use issue. Regardless, you may be unsure of what this implies. You probably have a lot of questions, one of which is how much it costs. When it comes to drug intervention or hiring an interventionist, the cost varies. The cost of an intervention program will vary based on the center or the interventionist you chose. In some cases, however, sliding fees or financing alternatives may be available. While it may be tempting to choose a less expensive choice, this service might save the life of a loved one. Worry no more. We have an experienced interventionist with high success rates. Reach our 24/7 helpline to know more information about how to schedule an intervention. Does someone you love suffer from drug addiction? Don't wait until it's too late. Call our 24/7 helpline at 1-800-570-2259. A caring addiction specialist is awaiting your call.